This is Grand Champion Orban Spotlight of River Run. He was born January 15th, 1997. He finished his championship at 7 months old. 9 months old. And his grand at 15 months old. Black brindle and white. His mother is Champion Starlight Jackpot of River Run. His father is Grand Champion River Run's Waylon Willie. His call name is Cujo. Cujo. Cuji. 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 Hey, buddy. Cuji. 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 Grand Champion Orban Spotlight of River Run.
Smile, Lucky, you're on the camera.
This is Lucky. Registered name. Whoops, there she goes behind the beans. Champion Starlight's Jackpot of River Run. This is Cujo's mother. She's red and white. Black mask. She has 3 Grand Champion wins, needs 2 more to be a Grand. And she's 4 years old. Oh boy, Lucky, she thinks she's going bye-bye. Come on, Lucky! There's Lucky! Oh! Champion Jackpots. No. Champion Starlight Jackpot of River Run. Red and white. Also known as Lucky. Lucky. Lucky girl. All right, now back again.
Come on, Willie. Slow down.
I want you to run faster.
Oh, my boy.
You're coming too close to me.
Oh. Oh, well.
When you come back, stop about right there. Willie. River Runs Waylon Willie. Grand champion River Runs
Tested.
Waylon Willie. TT as of 4/28/96. 2 years old.
2.5.
Number 2 American Pit Bull Terrier UKC. Top 10. 1995. Blue brindle and white. Oh, leave them there. Sire's puppies with gorgeous heads. Nice little thick bodies. Woolly. Woolly. Waylon Willie.
Hey.
Jennifer Grider. No wonder Willie ain't blonde. He'd make a fine pair if he was blonde. Okay, stop. Willie. Woolly bear. What's that, Willie? What's
Yeah,
it?
right.
What is it? What is it? What is it, Willie? Goofy dog. Goofy dog.
Yeah. Yeah, you can scratch.
Wonderful, gentle dog. And his